We're rolling?
All of us be
You good?
Okay, right to camera, last one. Bring it home. Ready, and...
My name is Tom Staib, and I am the fourth generation owner and president of DWS Printing and Packaging. Our business's main focus is in the food and beverage industries, and we also have a strong presence in the craft beer market. Our goal at DWS is to maintain our leadership in the industry and to strive to be the best that we can and to deliver the best possible product and service for our customers. And I'm proud to say that my son, TJ, fifth generation, is in the company as well, and he's managing our packaging division.
So my name is Andy Staib, and I am the fourth generation owner of DWS. Our company is actually in our 154th consecutive year of operation. Our great-grandfather was one of the original principals, followed by his son, my grandfather, and then followed by my father and my uncle. They were the third generation. Now my brother Tom and I are fourth generation, so it's pretty cool. We think that that's pretty unusual to be in business that long and have maintained the family heritage for that many years. So what's critical to us is that we are a tried and true and solid partner to our clients. But at the same time, we demand and expect the same level of support and partnerships from our supply chain, and we've gotten it. In addition to having the digital technology here in-house, we wanted to bring pre-sleeved cans to market. That's really a game changer, and it was the digital technology that helped us get there. And it brings a solution to the table that the other guys just don't have. You know, I think our forefathers would be proud. Thanks, Domino.